So we're travelling light, which is why the sound isn't excellent. We've just made our way to Hanmer Forest Park, and we're going to be doing the waterfall track, which is just there. There's the information. Should take us about an hour and 15 minutes. Really looking forward to this walk. It's going to be quite nice. Do some long exposures for the waterfall, so you get that nice candy floss look again. You know, I seem to love that. It's a great temperature for walking.
That's a little bit cool.
It is quite cool, yeah. But I think we're definitely going to warm up pretty soon because we've got quite a bit of weight between us. So in the bag, not on the tummy. The place is great. Strange to come over here and see the European wasps everywhere. They're like flying around on all the trees and what have you. So
how do they get over here?
Must be on
cargo.
Yeah, cargo in the day and fruit and stuff. So you might be able to hear the water as we approach.
Max load 2 people at a time.
We're only allowed 2 people at a time. Okay, this place is amazing. We're going to enjoy it, share a few sights with you, and catch you real soon. So we've been walking for a little while now. We stopped off at that lovely waterfall, and we're making our way up the spur track. It's a much easier going than the ascent up to the waterfall, but it's lovely. Like, we've got some nice still shots that we've taken, a little bit of footage you've probably already seen, and we're just making our way up somewhere even higher. We just keep going up and up and up. In fact, probably behind me there, you can see the mountains. I've got to watch where I'm going, so excuse me if I don't always make contact with you, especially when there's big drops like that one back there.
And there's a small gap where you could have fallen.
Yeah, tiny gap where I could have really done my ankle. So what I'm going to do, get you above the trees, let you have a bit of a look. And that's what you're working with. Probably a bit blown out, but absolutely gorgeous. Gonna carry on for a bit now and get back to you soon. Actually, before I go, perhaps I should mention that the humidity here really mucks you around. So once you're feeling cold, when you first start, you soon warm up, which is why we're now in t-shirts. I mean, the weather's come good now, but when you come here, it pays to wear something that will allow you to breathe, give you movement. Vanita's bought her really rather awesome gaiters, and they have been really good for her. I don't think she's got wet legs. I've been all right. My boots are pretty good, but I wouldn't want to step up to my middle.
wild blackberries. Really sweet and juicy too. Good after a few hours hiking, 3 hours hiking. It's like we're Bear Grylls foraging.
And we're not drinking our own piss.
Surviving the wild, trekking through mud and clay and jumping over obstacles, navigating our way through the New Zealand wilderness. We're rewarded by yummy black